Confused about what to do with your mature skin as you age? As we gracefully age, our skincare needs evolve, and navigating these changes can be daunting. From the ever-shifting landscape of skincare routines to the unexpected twists of menopause, it's easy to feel lost, but fear not. Your journey to glowing skin can start right here. We live in a world where youth often takes center stage. At times, you just want to be a part of a community dedicated to celebrating the beauty of maturity. So, to all the ageless aficionados navigating their 40s and beyond, this one's for you. The seasoned individuals who refuse to throw in the towel. Let's embrace the beauty of aging with confidence and, of course, gorgeous skin. Now, where do we start when crafting the ideal skincare regimen for our age? It's crucial to acknowledge that despite being in a particular age group, our skin types vary significantly. Understanding our skin type is paramount. Is it dry, oily, or a combination? If unsure, this simple test can provide clarity in this regard. Cleanse your face with your usual cleanser and gently pat dry. Avoid applying any moisturizers or toners afterward, and allow your skin to settle for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Take note of how your skin looks and feels during this time. Does it feel tight, making facial movements difficult? If yes, your skin is likely dry. Alternatively, if you notice oil on a tissue after patting your face, you may have oily skin. For those with combination skin, a shiny nose and forehead accompanied by tightness in other areas could indicate this skin type. Now that we've gained clarity on your skin type, let's delve into other crucial considerations before tailoring your ideal skincare routine. These factors are intricately linked to the aging process. The inevitable decrease in collagen and elastin production that comes with aging is an important concern. These proteins preserve the firmness and flexibility of the skin, which helps the skin look younger. Furthermore, the moisture levels of our skin may decrease with age, resulting in dullness and dryness. Another factor to consider is hormones, which exert a profound influence on the condition of our skin, particularly as we age. One significant hormonal shift that occurs in women is menopause, typically occurring in the late 40s to early 50s. During menopause, there is a significant decline in estrogen levels, which can impact the appearance, structure, and texture of the skin. Moreover, decreased estrogen levels can also result in a reduction in skin thickness and moisture retention. This can lead to dryness, flakiness, and increased sensitivity in the skin, making it more prone to irritation and inflammation. Another common consequence of hormonal changes during menopause is an increase in skin pigmentation irregularities such as age spots and uneven skin tone. Estrogen helps regulate melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin coloration. When estrogen levels decline, melanin production may become dysregulated, leading to the development of dark spots and patches on the skin. Furthermore, hormonal fluctuations can exacerbate existing skin conditions such as rosacea, as well as trigger the onset of new skin concerns like adult acne. Understanding these hormonal influences is essential for developing an effective skincare routine tailored to address the specific needs of aging skin. By incorporating targeted ingredients and practices, it's possible to mitigate the effects of hormonal changes and maintain a healthy, radiant complexion throughout the aging process. So, what is the best skincare routine that will help your aging skin glow? Our morning routine centers around 3 essential steps: cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen. Conversely, our nighttime regimen comprises 4 key steps: cleansing, toning, applying eye cream, and moisturizing. Let's start with a morning skincare routine for dry skin. Cleanser. Prioritize gentle formulas that thoroughly cleanse the skin without irritating it or removing its natural oils when choosing a cleanser for your skincare routine. Just a heads up, all product recommendations can be found in the description of this video. Choosing a hydrating cleanser guarantees that your skin stays balanced and nourished during the cleansing process. Look for cleansers enhanced with moisturizing components like glycerin or hyaluronic acid. Strong humectant or moisturizing hyaluronic acid is well known for its capacity to draw in and hold on to moisture, leaving skin soft and plump. You can make sure that your skin gets an extra dose of hydration after every wash by choosing cleansers with hyaluronic acid. Comparably, glycerin is a humectant that aids in attracting moisture to the skin to keep it at the ideal amount of hydration and to avoid dehydration. Glycerin-based cleansers leave the skin feeling soft, supple, and renewed while offering a mild yet effective cleansing experience. By selecting cleansers with moisturizing components like glycerin or hyaluronic acid, you can efficiently cleanse your face and replenish moisture at the same time. This ensures that your skin will stay hydrated and healthy, which creates the ideal environment for the other ingredients in your skincare routine to function. Moisturizer. To rehydrate the skin and shield the epidermal barrier, pick a rich, nourishing moisturizer. Products with shea butter or ceramides have great ingredients for sealing in moisture. Sunscreen. To protect against UV rays and stop further moisture loss, choose a UVA and UVB sunscreen protectant with SPF 30 or higher. For enhanced protection, look for moisturizing solutions with additional antioxidants. Let's not overlook the power of traditional protective measures like wearing appropriate clothing and hats. Did you know that there are clothing options available with built-in ultraviolet protection factor, UPF materials? These specially designed garments act as an extra layer of defense against harmful UV rays, shielding your skin from sun damage while keeping you stylish and comfortable. So next time you're out in the sun, consider adding UPF clothing to your sun protection arsenal for added peace of mind and skin safety. Now let's move on to a morning skincare routine for oily skin. Cleanser. Choosing the appropriate cleanser is essential for controlling oily skin because it helps remove excess oil and pollutants without dehydrating the skin. Using a foamy or gel-based cleanser is the best option because it leaves the skin balanced and offers a deep clean. Your skincare routine for oily skin can be made even more effective by using cleansers with natural substances that are known to decrease oil production. Look for cleansers that have been enhanced with plant extracts, like the following. Charcoal cleansers. Activated charcoal draws toxins, excess oil, and pollutants from the skin's surface like a magnet. Charcoal-based cleansers work wonders to purify the skin, leaving it clear and unclogged. Witch hazel. Witch hazel extract-infused cleansers help minimize the appearance of enlarged pores and eliminate pollutants with effectiveness, leaving the skin feeling renewed and energized. Even today, much like my mother, grandmother, and great-grandmother before me, I continue to keep this skincare staple in my bathroom cabinet. Tea tree oil. This strong natural ingredient has antibacterial qualities that help control sebum production, the oil that forms on the surface of the skin, and fight bacteria that cause acne. Tea tree oil-based cleansers are an excellent way to remove impurities from the skin and to stop breakouts in the future. Salicylic acid. Although synthetic versions of salicylic acid are available for purchase, you can also discover natural alternatives to this potent ingredient. Salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, is renowned for its ability to deeply penetrate pores, exfoliate dead skin cells, and dissolve excess oil. Look for natural sources of salicylic acid to harness its skin-renewing benefits while opting for a more organic skincare approach. For individuals with oily skin prone to acne, both exfoliating scrubs and salicylic acid peels are excellent choices. Moisturizer. Select a hydrating product that is oil-free, lightweight, and doesn't clog pores. Look for formulations containing niacinamide that are non-comedogenic. Sunscreen. To avoid shine and breakouts, use an oil-free, mattifying sunscreen with a non-greasy finish. Always make sure that your sunscreen provides protection against both UVA and UVB rays, SPF 30+. Cleanser. For combination skin, use a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that effectively removes impurities without disrupting the skin's natural balance. Look for mild ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile. Moisturizer. Pick a light moisturizer that delivers hydration where it's needed without aggravating T-zone oiliness. Glycerin and hyaluronic acid are excellent ingredients for achieving hydration balance. Sunscreen. Choose a non-greasy, lightweight product that provides of no less than SPF 30 protection and reduces shine in the T-zone. Look for oil-absorbing ingredients like silica and mattifying powders. For all skin types, dry, oily, or combination, this is the evening skincare routine. Cleanser. To get rid of extra oil, debris, and makeup that has accumulated throughout the day, use the same cleanser that you use in the morning. Toner. Use a mild, alcohol-free toner to bring the pH levels of the skin back into equilibrium and help it absorb the next skincare products more effectively. Look for elements that are moisturizing, such as witch hazel or rose water. Eye cream. Use a nourishing cream designed to address particular issues like puffiness, dark circles, or wrinkles and fine lines around the eyes. For an effective solution to these problems, look for substances like caffeine or peptides. Once more, you can find all product recommendations in the description below this video. Moisturizer. Finish your nighttime routine with a richer moisturizer to deeply hydrate and repair the skin overnight. Ingredients like retinol or vitamin E can help stimulate cell turnover and improve skin texture. By tailoring your skincare routine to your specific skin type and incorporating products with these recommended ingredients, you can effectively address your skin's needs and achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion over time. Check out these videos next for more anti-aging solutions. Remember to patch test new products and introduce them gradually to minimize the risk of irritation or adverse reactions. Consistency and patience are key to seeing noticeable improvements in your skin's overall health and appearance. If you got value out of this video, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to HealthXhub for more helpful tips for the 40+ crew. I'll see you in the next video.